Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back again in the speaking session. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is non-verbal delivery. Non-verbal delivery means how you can represent yourself in your communication, and what kind of thinking and what kind of ideas and what kind of mentality you should be in your mind during your presentation. You know that communication is very important for your life. If you can't communicate well, you can't deliver well, and it creates so many hurdles in your future life. So if you want to improve your communication as well as your presentation style, then you should know about how I can deliver and what kind of strategies and what kind of ideas we should adopt during his non-verbal delivery. In today's lecture, we will discuss few points that can help you for your non-delivery message. So let's discuss few points, few techniques that can useful in your presentation. First one is posture, second one is movement, third one is gesture, fourth one is facial expression, last one is appearance. The first point you should keep in mind during your presentation is your posture. Posture means when you will try to talk with someone, when you will present yourself, then you should know about your body language. Like your shoulder should be straight, there will be no bend on your shoulder, and when you are trying to present yourself, then you should be know about your proper feet, like your standing style, your delivering style, your presenting style. All the things can be counted through your presentation, because if you are going to present yourself, that time you are the only one person you are nominated in presentation. Like if you are standing in front of 100, 200 or 300 people, that time you are the person you are looking in front of others. So this is the point, this is the thing you should keep in mind during your presentation. Your posture is very key for your presentation. If your posture will not good, your body language will not good, definitely you can face sequences of this, because it create good thing for your future life. Postures means when your ideas, when your body language, when your mind, when your eye contact, all should be according to the requirement. Like if you will stand like this, you are not going here and there, you are not using your feet, and you are not moving one side to another side, and your feet is not proper, then it is a very big problem for you. So you should keep in mind about your posture is a key for your presentation. You shouldn't use your body language as like laziness. If you will stand all the time, you are not using your hands, you are not using your mouth, you are not contacting through your eye contact, then definitely it a very big problem for a speaker, because your words is not only your presentation, your body language is also matter for your presentation. Because if your body language didn't show about your confidence, then definitely audience consider that you have a no complete idea about your subject matter, your subject that you are going to present. So first thing you should keep in mind all the time, it is your postures. Posture means your shoulders, your eyes, your hands, your ears, and they should be used properly so that you can set a great impact on the audience. Another point you should keep in mind all the time, it is your movement. Movement is very obligatory, movement is very necessary for your presentation. When you are going to present yourself, when you are going to give a speech on certain topic, then you should know about your movement. Like you should go on your feet, and you should move around yourself. Like if you will stand one place on one specific place, then definitely might be you lose your confidence. If you will go here and there, if you will move from one feet to another feet, then definitely it is a very helpful and useful thing for your presentation. So your style matter, that your body language matter, that because it is a unique thing from other speakers in the world, in the society, because your movement can reduce your fret, your movement can reduce your scared. So if you will scared from audience, then definitely you can't present yourself, and you have no such kind of ideas, and no other kind of vocabulary came again and again in your mind. If you will move from one place to another place, you can see your audience that are sitting in front of you, you can see your audience that are behind from you, and it is a very useful trick, it's a very useful technique you should apply in your presentation. And third point, you should keep in mind your gestures. Gestures means your movement of your hands, arms, shoulder, all the things can be counted through your presentation. Like you should use index finger like this, you should use like this. So this is the way of your presentation, this is the unique style you can give to your audience. You can create new image on your audience, because all the people they like to present yourself, but if somebody have a different quality, different authenticity, different ability, they can create a good image on the society, they can set a good image on the society as well as audience. Because if you will set a good image on particular time, one time, other time consider that you are a good presenter, you are a good speaker, you can present yourself, you can debate anywhere, you can show your confidence, you can deliver a good speech in front of audience. So it's a very helpful technique, it is a very helpful technique. You should consider that it can create confidence on your personality, you should consider that, and you should keep in mind all the time when you are going to present yourself, then your gestures should be used properly, so that audience consider that you are a fully awareness about your topic. And fourth point that is very important, it's your facial expression. Facial expression means you are looking to your audience and your audience watching you, because your face shows that what kind of ideas, what kind of mind you have. Like if you are in anger mood, then definitely it shows that you are not fully prepared about your presentation. Your facial expression is counted on all the time that you are going to present yourself. Like if you will stand approximately 1 hour or 30 minutes on the stage, then definitely listeners, audience will watch you, they will see you, what kind of ideas you have. If you will show angerness, that is a negative impact on your society, on your personality, as well as you consider that you are not fully prepared about presentation. So facial expression is also key for your presentation, your eye contact, your body language, your movement, you are going here and there, you are watching the peoples, you are watching your audience that are far away from you, and you are watching your audience, and you consider that all the audience are listening me. If some of you are not listening you, you are missing your key elements, because all the audience should inspire from your speech, they will capture your ideas, they will listen you, so that you can set a great impact on your personality. It's a very playful, it's a very useful trick you should use in your presentation, it's a very useful technique, and it can set a great impact on your personality as well as in your society. Because if you have to show uniqueness, if you have to present differently from others, then you should follow some kind of instruction that is very important for your presentation. And last point, it's very important, it is appearance. Appearance means you are looking either you are looking gorgeous, you are looking dirty, it's depend upon you. Like if you are looking so lazy, if you are clothes, your dress is not properly, then definitely it's a very bad thing for yourself. Because if you didn't wear any proper dress, your dress is dirty, there will be no cleanness, there will be no actual thing that is needed for your presentation, then it's a flaw for your presentation. Because your does matter that what kind of ideas and what's your appearance. If you have a no good appearance, instead of this you have so many words, you have so many speech sentences, but you have no proper movement, you have no proper appearance, then it create a negative impact on your personality. So you should consider that, you should keep in mind all the time, if you will follow instructions, rules, regulation related to presentation, you can grip on your presentation all the time. Because your appearance, your movement, your body movement, your facial expression, your arms, your hands, your eyes, your face, your tongue, your feet, your all the body parts are involved in your presentation. If you will stand like a pole, you are not moving here and there, then it's a very bad thing, and you are considered a animal or like a non-living things in the planet. So you should consider that for your good presentation, for your gripping your ideas, to become confident about your presentation as well as your speech, you should consider that I am the presenter, I can present differently from others, and you have to adopt, you have to follow some techniques that can lead you from the others. Because if you will not follow techniques, rules, and instruction related to presentation, then might be you can't inspire your audience. So you should consider that, you should improve your techniques on daily basis, you should be persistent, you should continually practice about your techniques if you want to become a good presenter in the society.